Have you been good?
Thank you, Santa.
Cheese.
You want to see it? Okay, let's turn it on for you.
I don't want it. I don't want.
You don't want to see the robot?
He's another robot.
Is that another? Do we have two? Q, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
You see the dog?
I see the dog. That's Wags. Say hello to Wag the dog.
That's the dog. That's why the song.
Hello to Wag the dog.
That's why the ball.
Yeah.
You know this one?
Yeah. Look at that.
He's too big. I'm gonna go for a ride.
Okay, let's see you go for a ride.
Go for a ride, Scott.
No.
Not lying on the train. Oh, train conductor.
Please. You can ride out here.
Okay, come by and I'll jump on top. Okay, here I am.
Hey.
Thank you for letting me have a ride on your train. It's the Teddy Bear Express.
Hi, train conductor.
Hi. Hi.
You gonna deliver the mail?
And let's have some meal here. I'll put them in there.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye, train conductor.
Bye. Get out of the middle. Get out of the middle. And then you can get out of the middle.
Okay, I'll get out of the middle. Hi, train conductor.